AnimatePal is the total solution. Automatically transforms your dull videos into dynamic animated videos instantly. The one-stop DIY solution that comes fully loaded with all the tools you need to create professional animation videos with 1270 plus stunning animated that will help sell your products and services like no other. Templated animated video maker apps were a breakthrough in tech that brought easy video marketing to the fingertips of the average person, but it is no longer enough. That was 6 years ago. You can't get away with using video templates anymore. So what's the answer anyway? You could hire someone to make an animated video for you, spending a pile of cash in the process. Or you could buy an animated character from an artist or design studio and pay royalties every time someone watches your video. Or you could just get AnimatePal. Just how easy is AnimatePal to use? All it takes is 3 simple steps. Step 1. Open any video editor software. Step 2. Add animation from the AnimatePal library to instantly transform your video into high-quality content. Step 3. Render and boost your videos. AnimatePal features. Crush your competition and impress your viewers by creating pro-animated scenes with their library. Select the animation that matches your requirements from the huge AnimatePal animations library. Increase trust, sales, and conversions with captivating graphics. You'll never need to pay for animation software again. Works with all video editors without fail. No animator or expert video editor required to create high-quality videos. Transform your videos with hundreds of transitions, animated scenes, infographics and motion elements. Attract more traffic to your website and boost your rankings by using AnimatePal. What AnimatePal can do for you? Completely newbie-friendly, no expert knowledge needed at all. Save a huge amount of money on expensive software and use AnimatePal's animation library to boost your videos. Increase trust, sales, and conversions with eye-catching infographics and animated scenes. Instantly boost your rankings. Use AnimatePal to quickly build unlimited traffic getting videos. Use AnimatePal with any video editing software. It works flawlessly. No more dull, boring videos without any animations. Add animations that match your niche from their huge library. Boost your videos with beautiful transitions and easy-to-understand infographics. You'll never need to hire a professional to do your animations again.